G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name. Here at Scoop School we do some great unboxing videos. We don't just get the little bits and pieces in, we actually get monstrous pieces of equipment, and today we have a very special unboxing because the good folks at Electrofreeze, East Moline, Illinois have sent a shake machine down here for us to put it through its paces. So today we are going to unbox a shake machine from Electrofreeze. Now I will say that a lot of times these machines are generally shipped to your local distributor who takes them out of the box, gets them all set up, puts them on the back of a truck, brings them to your place and sets them into place and does what's called a startup, which is basically make sure that everything's working well, a little bit of training and leave you with it. We're a little bit different here. We have a big back dock here at Scoop School. We receive equipment all the time, and so that's one of the reasons why you should come down to a class. But second, a lot of the manufacturers feel relatively comfortable with the crew here actually unboxing. So the nice thing is you kind of get to see this kind of behind the scenes look at opening up some of these ice cream machines. You will need, if you're in this situation, some tools, tin slips, screwdrivers, pliers, box cutter. Let's get going. Always keep your bill of lading. Shows when it was delivered, how it was delivered, and the fact that you signed for it. Here's a box of tricks: brushes, front handle, spare parts, gaskets, rings, O-rings, O-ring remover, long windy brush, metal tube, carburetor tube, wash bottle, barrel brush. Never call this a toilet brush. Lube, top of said water bottle. Box containing legs and feet, and the all-important installation startup instruction checklist, and a whole lot of other things here. And this is what makes dealing with some of these companies so wonderful. They've got a startup sheet here laminated that you can keep in the store. They've got a shake dispenser head O-ring chart so you know which O-rings to use, and the operator's manual. Again, we say this every time, always keep this stuff in a place where you can find it. If the health department have any issues with your machine or the way you're operating it, they can ask to see the machine manual. Nothing more embarrassing than having you going through, rummaging through drawers in the back of the store trying to find this. Keep this nice, safe and handy. Oh yeah, blender head. How about this little beauty? Not only could you mount this to the front of the machine, but you could put that just about anywhere. Imagine putting that on the fridge. Turn this on, blender spins, making shakes at home. Unbelievable. Now, one handy tip is that when everything is off the machine, you need to give it a very good look over to make sure that it wasn't damaged in freight. No dents, scratches, anything that shouldn't be there. Another thing too is, as the store owner, it's your responsibility to make sure that your power will take this machine. Now when you order these machines, obviously you'll speak to a sales professional who will help you with that power source, but the plug may be different. So all of the plugs in our facility here look like this. This plug is a little bit different. So what we need to do is have a qualified electrician come in, take this plug off, put this plug back on, and we're as good as gold. Well, ice cream lovers, as you can probably tell, it's probably good to have someone with a forklift or some sort of lifting apparatus for you to do this in the store. That's why it's important to go through a distributor who can do all of the heavy lifting for you, pardon the pun. So once we've got it here situated, again, go through this manual. It's really important for you to understand your warranty, the installation, what you're responsible for, and how to put the unit together. Now, it is another good idea to pull the whole mechanism apart, the dasher, the blades, the rear gasket, make sure that everything is in place rather than just trust that it was done at the factory. A lot of things happen at the factory, and sometimes every manufacturer has sometimes where they may have forgotten to put something in. So really the onus is on you to make sure this all comes out, that it's all well put together and reassembled by virtue of the manual. This particular unit has a blender head, as we saw before. It plugs in here, and most of these units have what we call a mixed flow tube, a carburetor, whereby this goes in the top. This is a pretty simple mechanism whereby when you turn the top of it here, the valve closes at the bottom. When you turn it again, it opens. So this goes in the top of the hopper, like that. And we are just about ready to put this machine through its paces. So, again, nice to have you along here. That's what it's like unboxing an Electro-Freeze shake machine. If you have any questions about Electro-Freeze, they obviously sponsored this segment of the show. Electrofreeze.com, great supporters of the Scoop School program. We give a lot of thanks and credit to all of the manufacturers who provide equipment for us to use down here. And if you would like to come to a Scoop School class, it's really easy. Just go to scoopschool.com, sign up. A couple of classes left before this summer. Love to see you in class. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.